Yeah, my peeps. So one of the electronic parking brake. Yeah, this is what operates the electronic parking brake. There's a motor inside of this. So when I press the button inside, this will go in here, spin out, and wind in the piston inside of the caliper. So whenever you're changing the disc pad on it, you have to wind in back this guy. You have to wind it in back until you feel it stop, and then you're carrying the piston. Alright, so you stop there. What you do now, you just carrying this piston, and then you're good. But you cannot push in this piston without you remove this. You have to remove this, remove the parking brake system first, because it will damage the EPN. There's a sensor on it. I think an EPN is called. Yeah, very expensive.